Hey guys, today I wanted to show you these silk scrunchies. So it comes in the color green, blue, and then this brown, and the last one is like this purple one. They're super cute. I love these colors. So these would be super great to use if you do maybe sports, because the reason why they're so nice is because since they're silky and obviously super stretchy, they don't leave dents in your hair. So let's say if you're going to gymnastics, first of all, this just makes your, like if you do a bun, look so much more cuter. When I did gymnastics, I wore these all the time because it just looks so much cuter in a bun. And second of all, when I take my hair out, let's say if I put it in a pony with these, it didn't leave dents, which is super nice. I also love using these at night because I don't like sleeping with my hair down. So if I just quickly put it in a bun or in a ponytail or a braid, whatever it is, this keeps my hair nice and healthy since it's silky, but also doesn't leave a dent since it's a scrunchie. So I have a bun in right now. I'm just going to show you how much cuter it looks when you put it in. Look at the bun now. It's just so much more cuter. Adds a little spice to the bun. So if you're looking for any scrunchies that are super nice for your hair, they have super cute colors, then I would definitely recommend trying these.